how to fix LinkedIn login problem. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the LinkedIn application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you will land on this interface. Now you can automatically sign into your account with your Google account, your Apple account or your Facebook account. So any of these options will help you auto log into your LinkedIn account. But in case you forgot your login ID, that's your email or password, there you get an option to recover your password as well. Simply tap on forget password and that link will prompt you next page where you have to enter your email or phone number that you have used while creating a LinkedIn account. There you will get a verification code if you have an existing account, and then simply tap on next and enter the verification code. Once you enter the verification code, you will be logged into your LinkedIn account, and after that you can simply change your password. Or if this is not the case and still you are having a problem to log in, then what you can do is go back and open up the settings in your mobile device. Now from here, go to apps and then again tap on see all apps. Now search for LinkedIn. Then tap on LinkedIn. Once you land on app info page of LinkedIn, scroll down a bit and then go to storage and cache. Here tap on clear cache. That will remove all the junk file of LinkedIn from your device, which will help you to solve the problem. Once you do that, go back and open up the LinkedIn application and try to log into your account. And then you will be able to log into your account. If still not, then simply try to uninstall the application and reinstall it from the Google Play Store and log into your account, and that will help you to solve the problem. So that's how you can fix LinkedIn login problem. And I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.